Hey y'all, I'm Haley.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Haley,
And I'm Ryan.
and we are in the Brewing Happiness Test Kitchen. Avocados. They're delicious, we all love them, so let's talk about them. You can tell the ripeness of an avocado just by like pushing your thumb into the side of it pretty gently, and the softer it is, the more ripe it is. If it's too soft, it's probably overripe. If it's too firm, it's underripe.
Yeah.
You can also check in an avocado, it has like this little place where the stem used to be. You can pull that away, and the inside will be a color. This one is very green, which indicates to me that this is like ripe and ready to go.
Also, just having it pull out is a
Easily.
slight indicator of it being ripe.
So a way to ripen an avocado very quickly is to either put it in a paper bag overnight, roll it up. That will just help to ripen it faster. You could put it next to a ripe banana.
You can put it next to a ripe banana. You could put a banana in that bag. Will also help it go a little quicker.
If you don't want your avocado to ripen quickly, and you just throw it in with your other produce that's on your counter and it's next to some bananas, those guys are gonna be like talking to each other.
Yeah.
Basically speeding
It's
up
gonna
each
go
other's
faster.
ripening processes. So just be careful what you put it next to if you don't want it to ripen quickly.
Also, if they are ripe enough, you can put them in the fridge to store.
Yeah, that's a
stop.
good way to kind of stop the ripening process or slow it down, basically. I think we should just get into how to cut them, pit them, peel them, different ways to cut them.
So if you haven't already, I like to kind of get this little bit off, and then you're just gonna kind of roll the avocado around.
Because your knife will touch the pit in the center, and so basically you're just rotating the avocado around your knife. You're not really
Exactly.
even moving your knife.
And here's the twist.
Now we're going to talk about getting the pit out, because
There's a lot of problems, it seems.
apparently people get hurt a lot.
There's a
It's
term-
called avocado hand. So we're going to talk about how to properly do it and how you wouldn't absolutely not do it. The first and foremost way you would absolutely not is by stabbing it this way. Doesn't matter how sharp or small your knife is, you don't have that much control, and if you miss, you're going straight into your own hand. So do you want to demo proper form?
Yeah, and you're gonna hold the avocado securely in your one hand.
Just
you're
tap
just gonna
it.
tap that pit, twist. If it's a ripe enough avocado, it'll be very easy and it'll pop right out.
If it's not a ripe enough avocado and it doesn't twist out easily,
Yeah. All you need to do is quarter the avocado. And peel it away from the pit.
one of the main things we want to stress here is the fact that having a sharp knife in your kitchen is having a safe knife in your kitchen.
Absolutely.
And then you just dispose of the pit.
Yeah, if you just use your thumb very easily, it doesn't take much.
Now let's talk about getting the avocado out of its skin. I think a lot of people just decide to scoop it out with a spoon.
Problem with scooping it out though is the majority of your nutrients are on the outside. So keeping as much of the outside intact as possible is what you want, because you
Healthier.
want more nutrients.
So I found that the best way to peel your avocado is just to take your thumb and wedge it between the skin and the meat of it, and you can start to pull it away. And the riper it is, the easier this will come off.
Yeah, that's right. I'll do mine.
Great. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Sharp
Coronavirus
knives,
out here, y'all.
sharp knives and clean hands. That's what we want.
Yep. There we go. We peeled an avocado. Now we just have to show you how to cut it.
So dicing it, you're gonna go across and then perpendicular to those cuts,
Great.
just cut against them.
Diced.
And then, yeah.
Which is especially nice to do, like, if you have a slightly underripe avocado and you want to make, say, like guacamole. Ryan's going to show you how to do his favorite cut, which in chef terms is,
An oblique, or I like to call them jewel cuts.
which really just means that they're in nice, like, bite-sized chunks. They're fun.
They're fun.
Yeah.
And so all you're gonna do is turn your knife on a slight angle and just cut down. And then you're just gonna roll whatever it is that you're cutting, in this case avocado, and you're just gonna continue along on that path.
Essentially, you're just holding your knife on an angle, cutting, rotating whatever it is, the avocado, cutting, rotating, cutting, rotating. Do we have anything else to say about avocados?
Eat them.
Eat them. All right, that's it. Those are ways to cut and peel an avocado. If you have questions about this process, or if you want us to go through another kitchen process that you don't understand, let us know in the comments below. We will try to address this. We're doing a lot more of these kinds of videos.
Absolutely.
That's what we're here for. And until then, I don't know.
You're Haley.
Oh, yep. I'm Haley.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're making healthy happen.